Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your work schedule on ClickUp. So to do that, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to the settings. Now on the left, you'll find work schedule. So if you click on that, it will currently show you your work schedule. So as you can see, I have Monday to Friday here, 9 to 5, but you can change this to whatever. So if you want to have it include Sundays and let's say Sunday to Thursday or Wednesday or Monday to Thursday or Monday to Friday, you can go ahead and play around with that. Choose your start and end time, and that's really it, guys. As you can see, there's a custom working hours section here. You don't necessarily need that, but if you do, you will need to upgrade to the Business Plus to be able to get that feature as well, right? So that's pretty much how you can do it, guys. It's a pretty straightforward guide on how to basically do that. So I hope you'll find fun here. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.